Hey designers, let's create this text behind object in video. Start by taking a new composition. Here, import the video that you like to edit. So import it. Drag and drop it onto the timeline. Adjust its scale and position. Let's see the video now. Okay, let's trim the video from the first few seconds since they're irrelevant. Let's preview the video and identify the starting point we want to trim from. Once identified, place the playhead at that point and press Alt and the left square bracket to trim it from the start. Then, adjust its position as needed. Finally, let's preview the adjusted video. Alright. Let's duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl+D on the keyboard. Now, let's find the frame where the whole horse is fully visible in the video. Here's the point. Double-click on this layer to open the exact frame. Once it's open, select the Roto Brush tool and click and drag to paint over the main image to select it. Okay, it has selected a few areas, but it's not perfect, so let's refine the selection. Just click on the areas that need to be selected. To adjust the brush size, right-click your mouse button and press Ctrl on your keyboard. Moving left makes the brush smaller, and moving right makes it larger. Remember, if you want to deselect an area, press Alt on your keyboard and click on it. Let's deselect parts of the horse that shouldn't be included. Keep in mind that using the Roto Brush tool may slow down your computer depending on its processing power. Now, let's focus on selecting the remaining areas, such as the half of the face that isn't selected. Okay, once the selection is made, locate the Freeze option, which may be hidden behind other options. Click on Freeze, but be prepared for it to take some time depending on your PC's specifications. I fast-forwarded this process because it took a significant amount of time. Once it's done, return to your composition by clicking here. If we hide the bottom layer, you'll see that the horse layer has been separated from the background. Okay, let's examine how it has separated. There are still some weird parts showing, indicating areas that need further refinement. If you want to achieve a perfect selection, you can do so by going back to the layer and deselecting those areas by pressing Alt on your keyboard and clicking on them. However, this will trigger the rendering process again, which may take some time. Since it took a significant amount of time on my PC, I won't be doing it now. I'll just add text here, which won't interfere with the selected areas. So, take the Type tool and write your text. I'm going to write, Animal Charm. Let's adjust the size of the text and its position. After that, we'll select an appropriate color. I'll choose this color. Now, let's apply the Dharma Gothic font and increase its size. I want all the text to be capitalized, so I'll click here to enable all caps. Next, let's add a stroke. It already has a wide stroke, so I'll increase its size to 5. Perfect. Now, move this type layer below the horse video layer where the roto effect has been applied. I'll change the text color to something better. This time, I'll pick a color from the video using the color picker. I'll select this color. Okay, it looks good. Now, let's preview the video, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, like it, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Ace Designs.